A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for flower. G for guitar. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jackal. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for notebook. O for orange. P for pizza. Q for queen. R for rose. S for school. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for vegetables. W for water. X for Xmas. Y for yoga. Z for zebra.